subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for latest uploaded videos.
Listed as top of site, here comes the list at first.
1. The Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China is one of the greatest sites in the world, the longest wall in the world, and also an awe-inspiring feat of ancient defensive architecture. Its winding path over rugged country and steep mountains takes in some great scenery. The latest imperial construction was performed by the Ming dynasty from 1368 till 1644, and the length was then over 6,000 kilometers, that is up to 3,700 miles. This is the wall often referred to when we talk about the Great Wall. The Ming dynasty spent 200 years to build their wall. Rulers from that period built and fortified structures stretching nearly 9,000 kilometers. UNESCO acknowledged it as the largest man-made structure on Earth. The Great Wall was declared as one of the new 7 wonders of the world in 2007. Here comes the next in the list. 2. Christ the Redeemer. Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Christ the Redeemer, colossal statue of Jesus Christ at the summit of Mount Corcovado, Rio de Janeiro, southeastern Brazil. The statue of Christ the Redeemer was completed in 1931 and stands 98 feet up to 30 meters tall. Its horizontally outstretched arms spanning 92 feet, that's up to 28 meters. The statue has become emblematic of both the city of Rio de Janeiro and the whole nation of Brazil. The statue, made of reinforced concrete clad in a mosaic of thousands of triangular soapstone tiles, sits on a square stone pedestal base about 26 feet high, which itself is situated on a deck atop the mountain's summit. The statue is the largest Art Deco style sculpture in the world, a symbol of Christianity across the world. The statue has also become a cultural icon of both Rio de Janeiro and Brazil, and is listed as one of the new 7 wonders of the world. Here comes the next in the list. Machu Picchu, Peru, Brazil. On July 24, 1911, American archaeologist Hiram Bingham gets his first look at the ruins of Machu Picchu, an ancient Inca settlement in Peru that is now one of the world's top tourist destinations. The site itself stretches an impressive 5 miles, with over 3,000 stone steps linking its many different levels. Today, more than 300,000 people tramp through Machu Picchu every year, braving crowds and landslides to see the sun set over the towering stone monuments of Sacred City, and marvel at the mysterious splendor of one of the world's most famous man-made wonders. Machu Picchu was chosen as one of the new 7 wonders of the modern world, best destination in the world in 2016, and possessor of some of the most amazing structures in the world. Here comes the next in the list. Chichen Itza, Yucatan Peninsula, Mexico. The genius and adaptability of Mayan culture can be seen in the splendid ruins of Chichen Itza. Chichen Itza is a complex of Mayan ruins on Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula. A massive step pyramid, known as El Castillo or Temple of Kukulkan, dominates the ancient city, which thrived from around 600 AD to the 1200. Graphic stone carvings survive at structures like the Ball Court Temple of the Warriors and the Wall of the Skulls. Nightly sound and light shows illuminate the building's sophisticated geometry. This powerful city, a trading center for cloth, slaves, honey and salt, flourished from approximately 800 to 1200, and acted as the political and economic hub of the Mayan civilization. The most familiar ruin at the site is El Caracol, a sophisticated astronomical observatory. Chichen Itza is one of new 7 wonders of the world due to its large concentration of culturally significant, ancient man-made wonders and its placing in the top 7 of all nominees during international voting. Here comes the next in the list. The Roman Colosseum, Rome, Italy. The Roman Colosseum is a new wonder of the world listed in 2007. It was located in the middle of Rome in the country of Italy and its remains still stand in that location. The building of the Roman Colosseum began around the year of 72 AD and was completed in the year of 81 AD. The Colosseum, also known as the Flavian Amphitheatre, is an oval amphitheatre in the center of the city of Rome, Italy. Built of travertine limestone, tuff, and brick-faced concrete, it was the largest amphitheatre ever built at the time and held 50,000 to 80,000 spectators. The elliptical structure sat nearly 50,000 spectators, who gathered to watch the gladiatorial events as well as other public spectacles, including battle reenactments, animal hunts and executions. Earthquakes and stone robbers have left the Colosseum in a state of ruin, but portions of the structure remain open to tourists, and its design still influences the construction of modern-day amphitheaters, some 2,000 years later. Here comes the next in the list. Taj Mahal, Agra, India. The Taj Mahal is an ivory-white marble mausoleum on the southern bank of the river Yamuna in the Indian city of Agra. A mausoleum commissioned for the wife of Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. The Taj Mahal was built between 1632 and 1648. He was inconsolable and envisaged a memorial that would befit his love. Today, the Taj Mahal is listed as one of the new 7 wonders of the world. It is the final resting place of Arjuman Banu, also known as Mumtaz Mahal. Considered the most perfect specimen of Muslim art in India, the white marble structure actually represents a number of architectural styles, including Persian, Islamic, Turkish and Indian. The Taj Mahal also encompasses formal gardens of raised pathways, sunken flower beds and a linear reflecting pool. Here comes the next and the last wonder of the world. Petra, Jordan. Petra is a famous archaeological site in Jordan's southwestern desert. Dating to around 300 BC, it was the capital of the Nabatean kingdom. Accessed via a narrow canyon called Al-Sik. It contains tombs and temples carved into pink sandstone cliffs, earning its nickname, the Rose City. Perhaps its most famous structure is 45 meters high Al-Khazna, a temple with an ornate, Greek-style facade, and known as the Treasury. Declared a World Heritage Site in 1985, Petra was the capital of the Nabatean Empire of King Aretas IV, and likely existed in its prime from 9 BC to 40 AD. The members of this civilization proved to be early experts in manipulating water technology, constructing intricate tunnels and water chambers, which helped create an pseudo-oasis. A number of incredible structures carved into stone, a 4,000-seat amphitheater and the Al-Dir Monastery have also helped the site earn its fame.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel.